Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today episode we got this cool amusement right here, and basically what these are some rechargeable batteries that also come with a charger as well that's used for your Canon G7X Mark III. If you can see, the one that we got right here is a brand called Wasabi Power. But first let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like. So once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside right here, you can see they provide guys a USB to micro USB cable. Then definitely use that to actually recharge the actual product. And right here they probably get a charger that can stick the actual battery in. In the middle, you can see we do have the brand logo. Right here on the side, we do have the indicator light to let you guys know when it's fully charged or if it's charging. And in the back right here is where you have to plug in the cable to activate the product. And then right here we do have the battery. So let's take it out. Here is basically what the battery looks like. So this is the NB-13L that is used for Canon G7X Mark III devices. And they do provide guys all the information right here in terms of how much power is on here. And they do have the brand logo as well. So for this set, they do provide guys two of them, and both of them are the same thing. And when you guys compare it to the original Canon battery, this is what the product looks like side by side. But all you need to do is just stick it into the actual product and it'll start charging once you guys plug in the cable. So let's test it out to show you guys how it works. So right here I do have one of my cables. If you guys plug it in, once you guys plug it in, then start using it. So I'm not sure if you can see the inside, but it does label plus and minus, so that way you know which side to plug it in. But you basically want to plug it in like this and push it all the way. Once you guys do that, it'll show you guys whether or not the product is charging or fully charged. So right now it's red, so that means it's not fully charged yet. But I'm assuming once it changes to the green color, that means it's fully charged. So let's plug in the one that they provide for us. Alright, so once we plug in the one that's included, you can see right here it's also red, so that means it's not fully charged yet. But in terms of battery, like I mentioned, for this one, it works for like Canon G7X Mark II, Mark III, and the list goes on. You guys can definitely do your own research to see which device is compatible with this battery. But in terms of the price you're paying for one of these devices, it's definitely cheaper than paying for the Canon battery, which is pretty awesome. And for this brand, they actually make a lot of different type of batteries for different type of cameras and etc. So if you guys own like a different camera and you guys require like a different battery, most likely this brand will have it. So you definitely want to do your own research to see if they have it or not. So I definitely love the way how they designed the product because it actually allows you guys to plug in a cable to recharge it and not like a wall plug outlet or something. So this way you guys can charge it using a power bank or something else, not just like a wall charger, which is pretty convenient. But that is basically everything that's on the product here in terms of how to use it. But now to unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality rechargeable battery that's used for a camera that's compatible with this battery or any other batteries as well, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.